Welcome to Tech Library. So let me show you how you can verify your Instagram password and the name that is connected to it in today's video. In the course of using this platform, you may have forgotten your login details, or maybe wish to confirm your login details. Using Your Phone Settings, iOS Android. Using Your Phone Settings, iOS Android. Open your phone's settings. Go to Passwords. On iPhone, go to Passwords. On Android, it will be under Google Account. If the created or edited account had or has any saved passwords, look for Instagram.com among them. You can sign in using your phone passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID. Here you will be entering your Instagram username and password. Checking your Google account. Android. Checking your Google account. Android. To opt out of this, go to your Google account and open it through your browser. If you are signing in to your Google account, click on Security and then on Manage Passwords. Check out the list and locate Instagram. Now, here it is, your dream username for Instagram and the password. That's it. So, tell me, do you know how to check your password for the Instagram and the username as well, without any problem? Make sure not to forget your login details. Perhaps, you might want to write them somewhere. If you like this video, then don't forget to tap the like button. And for more videos like this, please do subscribe to Tech Library.